Super, thanks. I'm sorry, back. அண்ணா கொஞ்சம் கொடை தள்ளுங்க நண்பா.
We should make that animal, if at all it is crossing, it is able to pass through.
And by?
But no point in acting that we have known that we still have to try to revive that old thing and do something still better arrangement to the railways. Yes, sir.
அண்ணா எப்படி இல்லைங்க சொல்லுண்ணே. அண்ணா அப்படி எப்படிங்க?
So my purpose of coming here to just have an overview. You know that recently we have 3 deaths. Many people are reporting, press especially, that moon yaane sette poiriche. Yes, moon yaane sette poiriche, but all incidents are 3 different incidents. Kindly clarify on that also. One is train accident, for which we are now assembled here. We discussed with railway people. They are positive, they are supportive. We have taken some stand that we will do some experiment, 1 or 2 models, what could be the best suited model, which will meet the need of the railways and the need of the elephant. We will do that very fast. Second case was a case where we tried to capture one elephant, and that elephant was taken to Kral. Till it was taken to the Kral, entire press was so positive. Everybody appreciated. We have cuttings of every newspaper. Unfortunately, the animal died, which is unforeseen. It can happen to anybody. But the press is clubbing as if 3 died means same situation is there. Suppose if I say 3 elephants posed in a succession of 3 days, that is yes, a matter of concern. Here 3 deaths, we are also unhappy. My point is, press people, they are the actually link between the departments, government agencies and the people. Don't you have a faith in forest department? Do you feel that we are not means our people, our field formations are not doing their work? So please understand the consequence, that what motivation level they will get. Be emotional. Many of you ask the question from your heart. The press fellows, the people who are friends who are here, please ask what you are writing is true or wrong, because the best judge will be here. Do we have the intentions to make society suffer? Do the forest department has the intention to make animals suffer? We have the best track record in the country.
Somebody says the injection is the main problem with the issue.
Reports will come. Postmortem was done in presence of everybody. Yeah. That transparency was kept. 4 doctors conducted the postmortem. They have given their observational report also, that it got a fracture in the head. Any moment animal may become aggressive. Can you guarantee? We got 6 elephants from Jawadi. They are very fine. Last April we got 1 elephant who killed 2 people in Gudlur. It is fine. So there are unforeseen things.
Sir, in that order, that is only to translocate the elephants and not to make the elephant as captive.
No, order is very clear. It has to be kept in camp. It is my order. I am the person empowered under the law. I have examined everything and then issued in the best interest of the animal and best interest of the society where there were problems. We have record of that animal, what problems it has created. But you cannot say that you have, everything will be 100. A doctor is operating a patient. He first takes one undertaking. Yeah. I will not be responsible if anything goes wrong, isn't it?
Yeah, the railway department is this area, the speed only for 30 kilometers, but the railway department is going up fast.
Yeah,
That's
that
why
I
the
don't
elephant
know. Railway
accident in
people
the
are here, please ask them. We are also requesting, please understand and kept the promise which is made under taking which is made, and they are taking that their people, gang mazdoors, everybody is involved. And one thing I don't know, it is a matter of time. Kalatin ka time mari. So 2009 ke apro we had now so possibly somewhere the complacency syndrome that things are okay, nothing is happening may come. We are all human beings. We have our own system of thinking, system of prioritizing things. But unfortunately, that the female elephant died. We are awakened now. And the railway people, just now I had a lot of talk with them. They are positive. Our people will go have a discussion immediately with the Palghat office. I am also thinking that initial some proposal was made that we will do like this. Instead, 2-3 models can be tested, can be developed, costs will be known, and then one of the models which is best suitable for both. Railways are also not having problem and elephant is able to cross through. We will do it in a very faster mode. Once the model is available, then we will be able to replicate. That is my idea and I have told my people here. Let us hope that things will be okay. And it's not that we are happy about the whole thing, but please, if we do not do, now itself tell me, no sir, forest department is not doing its job. Please tell us. Otherwise, the report goes in such a way that our people gets demotivated. My job as a top man or senior man in the department is, my force is motivated. You also understand that there are a lot of constraints we are working with. Please appreciate. Those anti-poaching watchers, those forest guards, those forest people, struggling. Appreciate Pandega. Moon elephants, yes, we have lost 3 elephants. But telling a story that all 3 were the same thing, this is not correct.